you're waiting for an important text from someone and tired of checking your iPhone every few minutes, here is a simple automation that makes your iPhone speak out loud whenever a specific person sends you a message. For this, we need to open the Shortcuts app and tap Automation at the bottom of the screen. Now tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new automation. Then scroll down and select Message. Now tap the sender at the top and choose the contact you want to monitor. This can be a family member, a coworker, client, a friend, or anyone whose messages you don't want to miss. Then tap Done. You'll also see an option called Message Contains. This is completely optional if you only want the automation to run when the message includes certain words or phrases. You can enter them here. Otherwise, leave it blank so every message from that person triggers the automation. Make sure Run Immediately is selected and tap Next. Now tap Create New Shortcut. In the Search Actions field, type Speak Text and select it from the results. Tap the text field and enter the phrase you want your iPhone to announce. For example, message from home or important message received. It's up to you. Tap the small arrow beside the Speak Text action to customize the voice if you want. You can change the language, speaking speed, pitch, and even choose a different voice. When everything looks good, tap Done. That's all there is to it. The next time that person sends you a text message, your iPhone will speak the phrase you've created. This is especially useful when you're expecting an important reply, waiting for a family member to get back to you, or simply don't want to keep looking at your phone throughout the day. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with another iPhone user, and subscribe to the channel for more useful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.